So the way these tables in Mexico work is they are just for rent. We paid 150 pesos for ours, which is about $6, $7 maybe. And basically just ask the lady, she'll ask you where you want to sit, pay her, and you can just sit here all freaking day. I think they close right before sunset, but they just have hundreds and hundreds of umbrellas that you can rent. Bring all your food, bring your music, bring your beers, anything you want. What you get is a table, chairs, and an umbrella. Say hi!